Good morning, children. In the last classes, we have learned about materials and matter. Yes, what is matter then? Matter is anything that has mass and that occupies the space. That is, that takes up the space. Yes, and children, in the universe, matter exists in three forms. Matter exists in the universe in the three forms. Okay, means the matter will be in three forms, and those three forms are: first one is solid, second is liquid, and third one is gas. Okay, solid, liquid and gas, these are the three states of matter. Okay, but water exists in all three forms. We can see water in all the three forms. Okay, water exists in solid form also, liquid form also, and in the gas form also. That is, in the form of ice, water and water vapor. Ice is a solid, yes, and water is liquid, and water vapors are in the form of gas. So only water is exist in all the three forms. Okay, now let's understand about this solid, liquid and gases. Let's start with the solids first. Okay, children, anything that has fixed shape and size is called solid. Okay, solid will be having a fixed shape and size. Okay, that is fixed shape and fixed volume. Children, solids have fixed shape and size. See, for example, books, pens, chair, table, rock, marbles, these are the solids, and these have fixed shape and size. We can shift this object from one place to other. We can change the place of the objects, these objects. Okay, but their shape and size will remain the same. If you shift these books from one room to other room, does the shape of these books will change? No, the shape of the book will remain same. Okay, we can shift these objects from one place to other place, but we cannot change the shape and size of these objects. Okay, that is solids. Okay, we cannot change the size and volume of this object, and these solids have fixed shape and size. Now we'll see about the liquids. Okay, children, liquids do not have fixed shape and size like solids. Okay, liquids do not have fixed shape and size. For example for liquid are water, milk, oil, juices and vinegar, etc. These are the example for liquid. Okay, these all are liquids. Yes, these liquids do not have fixed shape and size. That is, they do not have fixed size and volume. Okay, fixed shape and volume. If you put these liquids into any container, they will take the shape of that container. They do not have the fixed shape and also size. If you put water or milk in the glass, it will take the shape of the glass only, and if you put in the plate or cup or in the bucket, liquid take the shape of these containers only. Okay, so liquids do not have fixed size and volume, fixed shape and volume, and also liquids will flow in the downward or sideway directions. Okay, if you pour water on the floor, it will move sideways. Yes, and if you put water on the slide, it will move downward, not upward. Okay, see, remember children, solids have fixed size or volume and they have fixed shape, but liquids do not have fixed shape and size, but they take the shape of the containers in which you put. Okay, Now we'll see about the gases. Like liquids, gases also do not have fixed shape and size. It also takes the shape of the container. Gases also, they do not have fixed size and shape, and they take the shape of the container. Okay, if you fill the air in the balloon, it will take the shape of the balloon. If you put air in the tire, then it will take the shape of the tire only. So both liquid and gas, they do not have fixed shape and size, and they take the shape of the containers in which you put. Okay, and examples for gases are dust, smoke, oxygen, carbon dioxide. These are all the example for gases. And air also is a gas. Air is a mixture of gas, and only solids have fixed shape and size. Liquids flow in the downward and sideways directions. Yes, but gases spreads in all the directions. Gases flow in the upward, sideways, and also in the downward direction also. Okay, for example, if you light agarbatti, the smell of the agarbatti spreads in the whole room. Yes, and if you put on the gas, it will spread everywhere. Yes, and most of the gases cannot be seen, but we can smell the gases. Yes, gases we cannot see. Most of the gases cannot be seen, but we can smell the gases. And gases mixes with the air and it spreads. Okay, children, air is nothing but it is a mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapors. Gas is a pure, and because of this it is invisible. Okay, means we cannot be seen. Gas is in the pure form, so it cannot be seen. Okay, and smoke, dust, ash, and some harmful gases mixes with the air and make it impure. Yes, smoke, dust, ash, and some harmful gases, they mixes with the air and make the air impure. Okay, and when harmful gases mixes with air, then it is called air pollution. Okay, children, now we have understood that matter exists in three forms, that is solid, liquid, and gases. Solids have fixed shape and size, and liquids and gases, they do not have fixed shape and size, but they takes the shape of the containers in which you put. Okay, and these matters can change into one state to other state. For example, cheese is a solid, and if you put that cheese on a tawa, it turns into liquid. Yes, see one more example, candle is a solid. Yes, and when it burns, it turns into liquid and again into solid. Okay, and ice is a solid, and when it melts, it becomes water, and water is a liquid, and when water evaporates due to sun's heat, it will turn into water vapor, that is in the gas form. Okay, water vapor will be in the gas form. So matter changes its state only when any external force is applied to it. Okay, or when there is a change in temperature, then only matter changes from one state to other state, that is one form to other form. For example, when water becomes water vapor, when there is a increase in temperature. Yes, when water becomes water vapor, when there is a increase in temperature, and when sun's heat rises, then only water changes into water vapor, that is in the form of liquid to gaseous state. Okay, and solids and liquids can become soft or hard, not or hot or cold, firm or limp. only when there is a change in temperature, but under normal conditions it will remain same. And children, all these states, they have weight also. Okay, all the three states, that is solids, liquids and gases, these have a weight. Okay, and also they occupy the space. Read the lesson, children. Okay, thank you.